Hey, I'm back. I've been playing a little bit more with the Claude. I was kind of like, I don't know, but I played around with it a little bit more. And now I'm going to show you some things it did for me. All right, I asked for it to create 5 IG designs about Canva. It gave me like 4 for each, so 5 Canva had. Canva design mistakes, Canva rocks, my favorite features, and then save hours with Canvas. I can take these and use them. Yeah, please. And then the one that I would like to use, let's see here, I could probably do this one seems to be. Then I would just open it up in Canva and then I can add in the 5 hacks if I want. It's given me a starting point. It didn't give me the 5 Canva hacks, but that's not what I asked for. I just asked for IG, and it should be Instagram post. There we go. It is the 4x5. I just have to go in here and do my magic then. It does give me a starting point, which is great. And then it also gave me, and these are things that I could just easily ask. Tell me what 5 Canva hacks, and let's um, make them designs. That would probably be what I would do with these. And then it also gives some info. It tells you what it did, and then fun tips, focus designed. All right, so then there's that. Now I asked for it to find something in Canva, and it found it. And yep, it found it. It's going through the search. It found it, and then it tells me, what you can edit right here. This is what it was updated. All that. Hello, that's a great feature. It can search Canva for you. All right. Now, I wanted them to change the colors. Obviously it's going to say, hey, go do this in Canva. But I chose to say, can you redo it? And so then it did, and then generated the image. Let's see here. It did it for me. It changed everything in peach and actually added some different images. Like, oh, I mean, they're kind of weird, and I probably wouldn't use all of them, but maybe I might find a couple that I can reuse. We'll see. But hey, that's cute. Still a lot going on, but it changed it. There we go. Now, next thing is I loaded up my Canva freebie Friday and said, please take this design and create 3 versions with 3 different color schemes. And it did. I don't know where it got to groovy or whatever, but like this one, I feel if I bring it into Canva, let's open it, I can probably play with it a little bit more. It seems to be a little weird, like a little. I'm going to detach the image from the background. Now this would be something that I would probably have to take into edit and do. Where's expand? There we go. Keep going, Pam. Magic expand. And I just want to do the whole page. Expand. Let's see what it does for me. I mean, not the most logical thing, but hey, look, it did it. I like that one. We're going to do done. All right. And then join us for Freebie Friday and discover amazing deals, amazing products is probably what amazing products that will brighten your day. And then, of course, I would take all this out and yeah, I don't mind this. And it was easy, and now I have a new one, right? Um, Even though it was a little weird looking, and then it did it in three different colors. See that? So that is kind of exciting. I like it. Now, the next thing I did was create a template I can use for weekly tip posts. I like. So let's see here. And see what it gives us. I mean, I it's a template. I can, use this and put in my own, my own tips. Yeah, I don't mind that. I don't mind. I would definitely make it into a template, like empty. Let's see here. Delete image and then of course weekly tip and then I see. I could do this. All right. That there we go. These are ways that you can utilize Claude with Canva on a weekly, monthly, or whatever you need help with content creation. Hey, give it a try. Let me know how it works. Now, I am going to be very honest. I'm not totally sold on Claude with Canva, but it also it's a new integration of what it's doing. Maybe we can give it a couple. I'll give it a couple more months and see if they improve it a bit more. But please know that what this is giving us is a foundation. Canva, can do this as well a little bit, but I feel like Claude steps it up a bit more. And you could just keep on talking to Claude. Like if I wanted to say, hey, with this, let's see if I put in this, can I get 5 hacks? And let's see what it does. I'll create 5 Canva hack posts for you in your brand style. All right, so let's see. This is just a continuation of an image. Let's see what it does. Okay. Where'd it go? I was like, where did it go? And then it came back over here. Okay, so Canva tips, get magic switch to resize, magic switch. Oh, I see what it's doing. It's giving me 5. Oh, just had to have a combo. And then I can take like the first page that it created, and then now I have 5 different hats. And I could just pick which ones I like. I'm feeling a little better. But I bet you in a couple months this will be really nice. Oh, here's the other hat. I love it. I love it. I love it. This basically takes out the time, time to do oh, I like this. And just basically just the time. Gosh, creating these things takes a lot of time. All right. Well, there you go. I hope that you give it a try. Don't get discouraged and just keep talking to Claude. And it will eventually, you guys will connect and create exactly what you want. Thank you very much. And if you like what I share here, please, 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 like and subscribe. Thank you.